Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, I got my little raised bed garden back up, and this is where I had the chicken manure I up it in there, as you saw in the last couple of videos. This is what I'm gonna try. So there's not really a huge update this time. I haven't been feeling the greatest, and the weather is getting really cold. So I don't know what we're gonna do just yet. We have some things I might try to grow in the house. We have a little indoor growing setup. We're gonna try to get things started maybe over the winter. We'll see. I think we can grow a few things out here. So yeah, we live in Oklahoma. So if you guys have any idea what we could possibly try to grow, we have a bunch of seeds, like just about everything. We're gonna give it a shot. Another little thing we're gonna try to do here. This right here, I got this idea a while back. We actually raised our chickens in here. Of course, when they're chicks, we had them in the house. We had another pool that was on top for a lid, and we had a heat lamp, and outside there kept them all warm, and we kept it covered and fed and everything. Of course, they've been out here for almost about over a year now. That's them. We actually lost half of our chickens. We had 14, now we have 8. But they're doing good. But we are thinking about using this to start another little raised bed garden with this. I'm gonna take all the screen off of here and just see how it works out. Of course, compost is the same. I haven't done anything else to it. Like I said, just not feeling the greatest. I do have an idea, possibly. I don't know how it's going to work out, since we're really tight on funds right now. I'm thinking I might take this, and I know it's kind of hard to understand right now, but excuse me, I might take the frame, cut it down, excuse me, and use it for like the bottom of a coop. But what I might do is, take the frame rails, take one side off completely, just take like this part of the half of the frame rail, and it will actually be like somehow like underneath here. So I'll have like half the bed here, and it come out to like, I don't know, I imagine it's about 35 or 40 inches or so to here. I might try to build a box on the back right here, and then come through here, and then enclose it. And then what I might do, I don't know if I have enough wood. I'm gonna go try, see what I can do. But what I'm gonna do, I have a little saw. I'm gonna try to cut all this out right here. Cut all the out, this whole panel out, and then move this nesting box and put it on the front of the box right here when I put the new back end on it. And then I'm gonna try to enclose the bottom part of it. And then what I'm trying to do is put hinges on the back, and that way I can put a broom all the way in and just scoop everything out. And then, because right now there's no roosting bars up here. There was supposed to be on the bottom, but they didn't really do their job, so they're all sitting on the bottom as of right now. So I'm just going to take it from right about here, the halfway point, and extend it out about 35-40 inches, and then just make a box and have both nesting boxes in our front. It's easier to get to. So that's the kind of idea I'm thinking about doing, and I'll take it a little bit of time. I have a little bit of wood here. I don't know what's gonna be enough, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Got some wood there. Got some more wood over here. I'm gonna try to use, and I even have. I can see you can back there. Got some pallets back there still. I'm gonna try to use some pallets. Those pallets there. That one underneath here. That one right there. And we'll see what I can do. And just find a way to expand it with what we have. We don't have a lot of money, so I'm gonna see if I can buy some screws. That's about all I can buy right now. So, anyways, that's the update. And I'm gonna try to figure out what we're gonna put in here. See if we can grow something. I think we can grow garlic and a couple things like right now, but I have to look at it again. But we'll update you guys in the next one. See you guys later. Oh, hey, by the chance if you can, like, comment, subscribe if you guys could. Help me out and get a bigger following. And keep going. Thanks guys. Talk to you next one. Bye.